the beaches were jam-packed, but we were at Cocoa Beach, you know. But here, Melbourne Beach near Seashell Inlet, absolutely ghostly. Yo, what's up guys? Today is our last day here. Going to enjoy the rest of the resort. It was raining, which is actually right now. That's why I'm underneath cover. That's why the lighting's terrible. And I don't really know what we're going to get much into today. Weather looks like it's improving. Radar says it's going to rain until 30, but maybe right now, who knows about that. Anyway, that's all the update we got here at the hotel so far. Just thought I'd pick you guys up for this episode of the show as
I just want to hold you. I just want to look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about your day and night.
The thing about the hotel is they have free snacks all day from 9 till 5. You can get, you know, soda, ice cream sandwiches, a whole bunch of other cool snacks. The water, I found this cool rock right here. You can see those holes.
The old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
yeah, it's really such a shame it's raining again. Alrighty YouTube, that is it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to your friends, and share the series to your friends, season 2.0. Maybe one of the final videos here. Guys, we are so close to 500 subscribers, and there may just be a 500 subscriber special trip. We're doing something big for 500, so hit the subscribe button, share the video to your friends, share it on your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter. But guys, until the next time we're back here together again, sometime soon for another video, I'm Tyler, and you, my friends, are watching The Tyler Show.
This might be a bit gross.